You know what? I'm going to swing for the fences, too. Mike's going to court.
I am?
What's the case?
Emancipation.
From him?
I wish.
He doesn't need a court order for that.
Our little baby's growing up.
Okay.
Listen, I need you to sign this affidavit that we never received that memo from Coastal Motors.
Oh my God! Oh,
There are napkins over there. I knew he wasn't a lawyer. I didn't think he was an idiot.
I knew he was an idiot. I didn't know he was spastic.
I'm sorry, guys.
When you get this cleaned up, come see me. I'll get you a fresh one.
What the hell was that?
What?
You know what?
It was an accident.
It was intentional. You ambushed me with a cup of coffee. Think I haven't seen Ronin?
It was all I could think of.
Meaning?
Donna was supposed to tell you.
Tell me what?
You can't sign the affidavit. You'll be committing perjury.
What the hell were you thinking?
I didn't know how to tell you.
Harvey, I found the memo. Is that so goddamn hard?
You don't understand. It had my name on it. I stamped it in. That implicates you.
Did you keep it from me 4 years ago?
I don't even remember seeing it 4 years ago.
Then I don't give a shit what it implicates. You don't keep it from me now.
I had never made a mistake like that, and I thought that I needed
Look, keeping it from me isn't a mistake. It's a decision.
I wanted to protect you.
Lying to me doesn't protect me. It betrays me.
Betrays you? If I had told you the truth, then
You don't keep things from me!
You keep things from me all the time!
That's because I'm your boss!
Well, maybe you shouldn't be my boss anymore. I did what I thought I had to do for you, and if you can't, just fire me.
Let me explain something to you. That memo doesn't hurt me, it helps me. If I had buried it, we wouldn't have it. But you found it, so that's a good thing. What? Well, what'd you do? Oh, what did you do?
Allison had that friggin' camera, and I was... She implied that we were...
What did you do?
It's gone.
You destroyed it? I'm not gonna fire you, Donna. I might kill you, but I'm not gonna fire you.
What are you gonna do?
What you should have done from day one.
Let me get this straight. Your own assistant destroys evidence and you still want to go to trial?
Yes.
No. You need to cut a deal right now.
You mean we need to cut a deal, right? Because we're all on the same side?
Harvey.
You think I didn't know what you were up to with that affidavit?
I was advising my client, the firm.
You once told me I was the firm.
She came to me and thought that you were in on it. I said no way. She wanted you to sign that thing. I'm the leader of this firm. I made a decision. You were happy to do it. Don't blame me for Donna.
I'm not, but I need to know if you still believe me.
I do.
That's beside the point. We have a decision to make.
There is no decision. We need to cut a deal today.
You know what? That's the difference between us, Allison. You want to lose small, I want to win big.
She's the one who has to try the case.
Regardless of what Donna did, I never saw the memo.
Are you going to sell a jury on that? Maybe the same way you sold it to the Randall family. We have a window to settle this before we have to disclose. But it's closing, and when it does, we could offer them the moon. They're not going to take it.
What's the downside of asking?
We went through this with the nurses. It tells them we're weak.
We are weak. Set it up. And whatever you're thinking, I don't want to hear it. So you think we should take this deal?
I think we have to.
Just say it. You want me to cut Harvey loose?
You've never been afraid to spill blood before.
You mean yours?
I was actually referring to when you and I crossed the other names off the letterhead.
That was for the good of the firm.
Was it? Evidence was destroyed, Jessica.
Not by Harvey.
On his watch, therefore.
On mine.
If this were anyone else, you'd be seeing it the same way I do.
I'm not scapegoating him.
You care about Harvey. I know that. But I also know that you care about your position in this firm. A law was broken. Are you really going to sit by and do nothing?
I was wrong.
Am I in the right office?
I went to the plaintiffs again
Why?
to tell them I was sorry.
Harvey, there's a deal on the table.
Allison's right. I shouldn't be the lawyer.
I don't even make a good client.
Neither do I. But I've got some hard news I have to tell you. Have a seat.
Couldn't we have done this in my office?
Yes, we could have. But I prefer to do it here. In your old office.
What's this?
I want you to let Allison Holt go.
Why would I do that?
Why you? Because you brought her in initially. I'm extending you the courtesy of letting her go. As for why at all, I do care about my position in this firm. And my position is that we win. We win. Harvey wins, and I win. Allison Holt can't win because she doesn't believe in Harvey. I can, because I do.
It's your decision.
It is.
But don't try to pass it off as a courtesy. You're trying to humiliate me. Like you did by summoning me into your office.
I summoned you because I wanted you to understand who you were threatening earlier.
I wasn't threatening you. I was pointing out facts.
Yes, the fact that if I'm not careful, you'll try to take this office back. That's not going to happen. And as for your point about a law being broken, you're right. I'm not going to sit by and do nothing.
Harvey's not here. He should be back soon.
I'm not here to see Harvey.
Oh.
He wanted to be the one to have this conversation with you. But it's my firm, and I wanted you to hear it from me.
Am I being fired?
Yes. I appreciate everything that you've done for Harvey and for me. But whatever my personal feelings, your actions have left me no choice but to terminate your employment at Pearson Hardman, effective immediately.